Now there are certain accounting rules that we have to follow in accounting in order to post up the transaction into the books of account. These are basically called as the golden rules of accountancy. According to the golden rules of according to the golden rules of accountancy, you have to post the transactions into the books of accounts according to the double entry system. For example, we have to post the transaction, as we have discussed previously, that we have to for every transaction there would be a debit change and there will be a credit change, and you have to post the transaction into the books of accounts, keeping in mind or keeping in view the accounting rules. So these accounting rules are basically generally followed all over the accounting, and they are set and they are being defined, and you have to basically learn, or you have to memorize those rules in order to post up the transaction into the books of accounts. So basically we are having five different type of accounts for which their accounting rules are defined. We have account of asset, account of liability, account of owner equity, account of revenue, and account of expenses. So for the account of assets, any increase in the asset will be debit and any decrease in the asset will be credit. This means that whenever your asset is being increasing in any transaction, you will debit it, and whenever any asset it will be decreasing in your transaction, you will credit it. For the liability, any increase in the liability will be credit, any decrease in the liability will be debit. In any transaction, if your liability is being increasing, you will credit it, and if your liability is being decreasing, you will debit it. And for the owner equity account, it is being same as that of liability. Any increase in the owner equity will be credit, any decrease in the owner equity will be debit. So liability and owner equity will have the same accounting rule. And for the revenue account, any increase in the revenue will be credit, any decrease in the revenue will be debit. And for expenses, any increase in the expenses will be debit and any increase in the expenses will be credit. So basically, whenever you have to post the transaction into the books of accounts, you have to keep in mind those accounting rules, and you have to keep in mind that you have to post the transaction into the books of account according to those accounting rules. There is a general rule related to the revenues and expenses. We basically say that revenues are usually credit and expenses are usually debit. So revenues, whenever there is a transaction related to the revenue, you will always credit it, and whenever there is a transaction related to the expenses, you will always debit it, because there are very rare examples found in accounting where your revenue is being debit, and very rare examples found in accounting where your expenses are being debit. So whenever a transaction came to post, you will first have to keep in mind the double entry system, that you will post the transaction into the books of accounts according to two changes, the debit change and the credit change, and both the changes should be of equal amount. And secondly, you have to keep in mind those accounting rules whenever you are posting the transactions into the books of accounts.